Hi guys, this is Bharath. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I recently completed my graduation in agriculture engineering, but I am transferred to the non-IT to IT. I am interested in Python, but I don't know that time in which institute is better. For referring my friends and I research in Google and Instagram, that will told and get Jspiders is the best for the getting placements and learn IT skills. That's why I joined in Jspiders Basavanagudi. Here I learn lot of skills and get knowledge in IT skills. Here I take Python full stack. I am specially thanks to the Vivekananda sir, Hari sir and Manu sir. They will be very helpful to get my dream job as a Python developer. I will thanks to Jspiders and trainers and HRs. They will be helpful to the get my dream job. Thanks to Jspiders.